When you ask an AI coding agent to execute a complex, multi-step task, you quickly hit a wall. You spent half your compute time reminding the model of variables it just generated, or file states it supposedly already read. This friction stems from a core architectural limitation. Standard agents operate entirely through stateless tool calls. Under the hood, every turn requires the system to package variables, directory states, and working context, re-injecting them into a JSON viewload. With each client-server cycle, this repetitive appending causes the payload to balloon until it strikes a hard limit. Once that context window inevitably fills, the system forces older data out to make room. The agent enters what developers call the dumb zone. It suddenly forgets the precise logic it was just working on. Commercial solutions try to patch this leak by offering massive context windows, but throwing a larger token limit at the problem merely delays the collapse. You cannot build a long-running, self-improving system on top of an amnesiac loop. True autonomous workflows require a persistent memory structure. This brings us to Prime Agent, an open-source repository designed specifically to bypass this memory bottleneck. For power developers willing to manage a local or remote server environment, this is a serious alternative to commercial tools like Devin or Recursive. Its primary engineering shift is abandoning those isolated JSON tool calls entirely. Instead of passing context back and forth over an API, Prime Agent relies on a persistent IPython kernel. This means the AI operates inside a single, durable Python environment. Variables, parse data, and imported libraries survive seamlessly across turns. The model no longer asks an external system to hold its memory. It uses the Python environment itself as a programmable, durable state machine. By moving the working state out of the context window and into a persistent runtime, the AI is freed to execute complex, multi-step logic without constantly rereading its own notes. That persistent state allows Prime Agent to utilize a distinct conceptual framework, the recursive language model. In this architecture, prompts are treated as variables, and tools are executed directly as native code. Standard multi-agent frameworks often require you to hard code the routing logic, manually defining how different AI roles interact before the task even begins. Prime Agent bypasses static routing. It allows the primary model to spawn focused, concurrent subagents programmatically. The AI itself decides when to delegate tasks, generating the exact Python code needed to branch a new worker based on its immediate requirements. Imagine the parent agent actively writing a feature, realizing it must audit a massive separate directory simultaneously. It spins up a child agent scoped to run that audit with isolated parameters, while the parent continues its primary task. This programmatic generation shifts the burden of orchestration directly from your static code to the AI's active reasoning. This introduces an immediate technical question. How does the parent agent track this child without freezing the entire system while it waits for results? The answer lies in an asynchronous communication architecture. The parent manages child life cycles through non-blocking messages. Once a subagent is spawned, the parent moves immediately to other tasks rather than entering a blocked state during a long-running audit. When the child finishes parsing the directory, it actively pulses the results back using the agentMessage.send function. Running agents can exchange these messages to steer active work directly, completely bypassing the need for a human to route the outputs. This non-blocking setup allows developers to unleash massive concurrency, turning a linear coding assistant into a highly parallel research harness. Scaling an agent's capabilities usually means connecting it to external resources, like database query engines or cloud APIs. The current industry standard for standardizing these connections is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Standard implementations map these external servers to top-level LLM tools, which dumps massive, complex schema definitions directly into the context window. This immediately bloats the model. Before the task even begins, you have almost no room left for actual project history or reasoning. Prime Agent solves this with native MCP integration via Python-backed skills. It does not rely on massive top-level schema dumps or wordy markdown instructions. Instead, skills are constructed as full Python packages that are injected directly into the kernel. When the agent needs a tool, it simply imports and executes typed callables natively in Python. Using the built-in skill creator, developers can package recurring workflows into native executable modules. Treating external tools as native code imports provides infinite extensibility without ever sacrificing your token limits. For long-term execution, the focus shifts from immediate tasks to systemic durability. This is managed by the continual harness and a set of durable background daemons. These daemons ensure active sessions, subagents, and the IPython state run perfectly, even if you close your terminal or lose connection to the host. As the session extends, an automatic compaction mechanism summarizes older history while perfectly preserving recent messages and the precise kernel state. You can establish persistent goals, heartbeat schedules, and autonomous execution limits to keep massive audits moving forward while you step away. These features establish PrimeAgent as a multi-process local runtime for long-term autonomous research. However, this immense programmatic capability requires a severe operational trade-off. You must understand that PrimeAgent features zero security sandboxing. Any model-generated Python executes with the exact native OS permissions of the host machine running the agent. While the architecture uses separate worker processes for lifecycle isolation and recovery, this is strictly a control environment, not a secure container. Feeding it untested instructions or running it against untrusted repositories on your primary machine is incredibly dangerous. To leverage this tool safely, engineers must strictly enforce their own security boundaries, isolating the execution inside disposable clones or external containers. For developers willing to secure and manage their own local environment, PrimeAgent dismantles the standard stateless tool call architecture. Its integration of a persistent IPython kernel, recursive language model subagents, and Python-backed skills allows the model to manage its own complex orchestration and state. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel for more open-source AI tools and hit the bell icon.